the vibes, the vibes. This is the wealth of it all, the thick of it all. I could thrift flip. Damn, the shade. What happened? The vibes are up. We got to finish summer off strong before classes come into play. Pray for me.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Yes.
It's warm too. I need
Okay. Just let me get something cute. Come to my face. Let me get something cute. Yes, the vibes, the vibes.
I get in my feelings this way. None of it was real. Ooh.
What you wanna play? What you wanna play? You know. What they got? What they got? My camera looks dirty. Headed to the farmer's market. It's the next day for my little night out. I'm trying to stay in the sun because the sun right here. But yeah, we about to walk to this farmer's market. Got some blueberries, some eggs from the farmer's market, 2 things of honey. Got the blackberries and the ginger in there. The watermelon. Yes, baby. This is the wealth of it all, the thick of it all. Going into the thrift store, prepping for the shoot. I want to find something I could thrift flip. Damn, the shade. What happened?
But happy, honestly.
It's a few days later from when I popped in. The last time I popped in, I was at the thrift store because I was trying to find some fabric or something, some type of material, shirt, pants, whatever the case may be, to make something for my shoot that I had on Sunday. So yes, I did end up having that. That vlog is gonna be dropped more than likely before this one. So yeah, go and see that, how I made and styled my outfit before this vlog. It's days later now. I'm chilling. Now I'm about to get ready to prep. It's my last 2 weeks of summer. I'm about to prep and get ready to go on a little road trip. It's time for a little getaway. Hey, let's get away. Let's get a room on the other side of town. Anyways, yeah. I'm about to get ready to do that. So, yeah. I'm gonna pop in. I don't know. I'll probably pop in a little later or just when I'm prepping. I want to make something, but I don't know what I want to make yet. Probably like a dress or something. The weather is a little wonky, so we'll have to see. But the vibes are up. We got to finish summer off strong before classes come into play. Ugh. Pray for me.
Cause that bitch gon' need it.
And I would meet, when I met her family, she was like, yeah, he's a rapper. And they would be like, okay. You know, they thought that she could do better. And it was just like, it was like a test of my faith. Mm-hmm. And you know, when you got that faith, you got to walk on that invisible bridge of faith. You don't see it, but you just know it's there, right? So
I'm about to go ahead and rebraid the front of my hair. And I really need to go ahead and start packing too, because I'm about to go on a little road trip. Yes, yes, yes. Like I said, I'm about to go ahead and redo the front of my hair. Well, rebraid it, but I got a little freestyle I want to go to. This was my last inspo picture, but I didn't really braid it in that way, I would say, but I'm kind of using that as an inspo picture, but it's not gonna exactly look like that. This side is gonna be going straight back, and then this side is kind of gonna be going this way, and some will be right here, I believe. But I don't know, I'm gonna just try something instead of just doing them all straight back like how I did it last time, just really freestyle and braid the front. But we'll see the outcome. At first, I really wasn't feeling the way I braided the front, but after a while, I did get used to it. But right here, I was kind of questioning. I'm like, I don't know, but I was just like, I'm gonna finish strong just to see the end result.
Since you were looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamins? You act like you ain't him, they give him a little trim to begin. How you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again? Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then and you talking out your neck saying you're a Christian, a Muslim, sleeping with the gin. Now that was the sin that did Jezebel in. Who you gonna tell when the repercussions spin? Showing off your ass cause you thinking it's a trend, girlfriend.
My hair is just not coming out right. It's just real shriveled up. It's weighed down. It's just, I don't know. It's not eating for the girls how I want it to eat for the girls. This is the end of the vlog. This vlog really consisted of outings and me getting ready to prep to go out of town. You'll see in the next vlog where I was headed, but you kind of already have a hint within this vlog. But if you know, you know. Comment, let me know if you know where I'm going. Got the red Cabernet, sipping on the red Cabernet. I'm about to get ready to go to bed. This vlog just really consists of me having outings, doing hair prep, prepping to get ready out of town. My hair did not end up coming out how I wanted it to come out. That's the crazy thing about it. Like, my hair was all shriveled up. It was still damp because I had did it that day prior, so it didn't fully dry. My hair takes, one thing about it is gonna hold some moisture, some water, any of that. My hair takes forever to dry. All in all, the next vlog is gonna be the trip and, you know, just me getting on the road and stuff. That is how I ended the clip, me being on the road. That clip where I showed my hair where it was shriveled up and stuff, where I was saying I didn't like it, I'm already where I was traveling to. Majority of those clips, a little segment will be in the next vlog. I'm getting out. Definitely getting out more, not just staying at the house, because I definitely do be in the house a lot, and it's not me keep just staying in the house, like, no thank you. I got out with my girl Bree. We hung out. I'm trying to look at some more clips, make sure I touched everything. That's another thing. When I was sewing the shirt, I did not show an end clip of me sewing the shirt. In the next vlog, hopefully I got some clips in the shirt, because I did not show any clips after I sewed it and stuff, which I did intend doing, but I didn't get no clips of the shirt until I traveled where I was going and stuff. I will eventually. I'm posting a TikTok too. Follow me on TikTok. That's a lot of the times where I be posting, and Instagram, where I be posting my fashion content. Most of my content videos faster than it be on YouTube. Also the farmers market too. I went to the thrift store too as well. I ain't even get nothing from the thrift store that when I was looking for fabrics and stuff. I ended up just getting that fabric from Walmart. When I ended up making the skirt for my previous video, I ended up getting that fabric as well, and I ended up making a top out of that. Ended up going to the farmers market too as well. That was a vibe. Lately, that's been a part of the routine, just frequently going to the farmers market on Saturdays and doing what I need to do. Just prioritizing the health, wealth, mental, physically, emotionally, all of that. I'm healing all around, baby. We growing through things. Not going through things, we growing through things. You heard? And let me make sure I touched all the bases.
It was like a test of my faith. And you know, when you got that faith, you gotta walk on that invisible bridge of faith. You don't see it, but you just know it's there, right?
Yes, you heard? I'm walking on a test of faith. You don't see it, but you know it's there. That's the type vibe, and that's how I want to end it off. It's a whole lot of peace, love, and dopeness. For sure.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.